Hey everybody, Matt with SmallHD here, and today I'm going to show you how to install our new Snap-On Sunhood for Cine 13. First thing we're going to do is uninstall these M3 screws on the side. So you're going to need a small Phillips screwdriver, and let's start with our left and right sides of the monitor. Nice and easy. With the M3 screw removed, you're going to use these brass Snap-on screws in its place. These are going to hold the cheese stick in as well as be a mounting point for the Sunhood. Now for the Snap-on screws, we're going to use a little flathead here, and we're going to get that nice and secure. Now we repeat these steps for the left and right side. There'll be 4 screws. Now that I have our 4 brass Snap-on screws tightened securely to hold our cheese sticks in, we're going to do the same with our 2 top screws. You're going to take your larger brass snap screw and you're going to replace this little Phillips M3 screw with it. So I'm going to take one of these off so you can see here. There you go. And one more time on the other side. Now all of your M3 black screws have been replaced with these brass snap screws. These snaps are going to be used to hold the Sunhood in place, and it's going to be easy to snap on or tear off on set. We put my little M3 screws in my little snap screw bag just so I don't lose them. Now that our snaps are installed, we're going to take our large overhead piece of the Sunhood. See those cutouts right there? We're going to slide the top handle in. Now you can see on the top we have 2 built-in snaps. Just like that, they go right onto the snap screws. The same with the sides. Nice and satisfying snap. Okay, there's the upper portion of our Sunhood. Now for the bottom portion, it snaps right onto the main part of the Sunhood, so no screws needed for this part. Now on these bottom flaps here, you're gonna snap in the bottom to hold the bottom flap secure. And there you have it. We have a Cine 13 Snap-On Sunhood, which if you need to rip this off to change location, just comes off just like that. And then you can snap it right back on. Easy. And that's how you do the Cine 13 Snap-On Sunhood. I hope you learned how to do this in a snap.